go sukago cha sensemene torigeria mangana harengete na siasa barwaniri ao bye birogo imeye county ya Kisii boigo ni gasari tukulia lero baikase kyombekeri kyobochori ne chimbe IEBC gati ya wali bakolige birogo byo seneta monobo governor elikonyara korwa amasakarabo na gwanchiro kogendera neganga yokoligia ebirogo byo muri keito mirde mumanyi nega twaregendera boturu asenchira yobwekirano Lituko lya lero nalyo lyalenge elyo asekiombe kyobochori ne chimbebe IEBC gokora kolingolia amasakara yabarwanereria Imeye county ya Kisii abakubolia ekirogo kyobo governor kurwa ebyama nigo babeka amasakarabo asebenyorera chi certificate cyabo ilyogo chakia chi campaign cyabo bene asebalia babeka ngamona Chris Obure kurwa ekyama kya Jubilee, Ezekiel Machogu kurwa ekyama kya UDA, amona Professor Sam Ongeri kurwa DAP Kenya.
Omugabana okabere okisi county ne royo Ezekiel Machogombaki no mwana mwabo Julius nigoshyogamba abana ubago gigosoye county intwege twanje tomorembe.
From today we will be able to move around, visit voters in their respective wards, sell our agenda. And so I want to take this opportunity to appeal to residents of Kisii County that we will be there talking and working with them and appealing for their support to enable us form a new government in Kisii County.
The rumors and the rumor mongers who have been going round saying that I have no running mate and I don't have officials. The journey has started.
Nigo abarayabwo baganichi campaign chomurembe anene mono kurwa abarwanereria babo.
Our clarion call is a peaceful election.
That's good.
We have no intention of abusing anybody. We have no intention of fighting anybody. Our intention is to create harmony and peace. Let Mwananchi decide.
We look forward to peaceful elections.
Abakubolia ekirogo kyobo senator abo barenge na barayibabo gati yabo Josh Maangi amona Omingo Magara nigo boigo na barobo bayakira ekoko asebo igo bagania amaskani no morembe.
Today we have come to share with my senior that we will work with the entire Kisii community to deliver the promise and deliver a government that serves and works for and with the people. And the wheels start turning. And the will of peace, the will of hope, the will of tranquility in our county, and we shun all manner of primitive violence against any other candidate. It doesn't help anybody to throw stones at the other. If you think you have the vote, walk and earn and garner the votes.
Us, the entire Kisii County team are ready. UDA is the winning team, and come 9th of August, we will win. From the truth. Our team is peaceful, our team is organized. We are not interested in any of those things because we are sure we want to win and win the very clean manner.
Aba women rep korwa ebya mebyo na barobo nigo barenge na yaiga.
Jubilee team, we believe in peace and that's our sign is enough. We know that we are going to win, we are under Simeon, but if there is a seat that Jubilee is going to get from Kisii, is the position of the governor, the woman rep and the senator.
Tuachakire campaign amangana yetu propaganda chinyinge abantu batige kungainereria tigatori chikura ngora chedidina batebya nga intwe na abantu abanene bokatokori chikurechi nande tuamanyire ngani tukota kore government ya Kisii County.
Ginko reporter ya egeta sen Ndizi TV elitaliane Mildred Momanyi.